Hello friends, how are you? Welcome again on my channel. There is post myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing good. Very first I will say stay home, stay safe and do coding because coding is the best. So friends, in this video I'm going to tell you very simple how we can easily create our first page in Bootstrap into our React.js application. So friends, very first I will create a new React.js project. So friends, very first I will say please watch the video till then and also please subscribe my channel for latest React.js updates. So friends, now I'm going to create a new React.js project. npx so friends, npx space create React app space your project name and I will name it React first page. Friends, now I press enter button. So we will see new our new demo project will be created with name React first page. So friends, here you can see project has been created with packet.json files and other modules are downloading. Here you can see them. See friends. So friends, I will tell you this is very simple. After it, I will install Bootstrap into my React.js application and then I will make demo page with Bootstrap into my React.js application. So friends, look, things are downloading. It will take around, friends, 2 or 3 minutes mostly. So take care of this because it will take time. So friends, see our first React project has been created almost. Now it will take only 20 or 30 seconds. Then we will done. Wow. So friends, look, see our demo project has been created and now I will go into their project cd react first page, press enter. So friends, now I will run the command npm start. So we will see our first demo project in React. So friends, look, React.js has been downloaded successfully into our machine. Look friends, great. Now I will add Bootstrap into it. And now Control C, yes, enter. Now I will enter the command npm install bootstrap hyphen save, enter. Now friends, this command will install latest bootstrap version, and now it is 4.5. You can see bootstrap 4.5.0 is installing into our React.js demo application. So friend, great, bootstrap has been installed. Now again I will run npm start command, and friends, now I will add bootstrap div tags to check the bootstrap running. So friends, look, React.js. Now I will go inside the source folder, and here is our main file app.js. And friends, now I will add this line to get the bootstrap. Friends, free to write and import single colon start bootstrap slash dist slash css slash bootstrap.min.css file, and this will include bootstrap into our React.js application. First, now I will add the bootstrap structure. Div class name and wait, I will take the so friends, now we will see bootstrap. Friends, here is our bootstrap default div bootstrap class name jumbo tone text center bg, and friends, I will remove this. This is my custom. And friends, look, see friends, I will write down first page in React.js with bootstrap with bootstrap. So friends, div class name container div class name row, here will be our h1 tag. I will name it home page. Now you will see what will happen. So friends, see our first page in bootstrap, and friends, see bootstrap is working fine into our React.js application. Now I will make it more good with we need to make parent container, and after it we will add all the things into it and see how it will look more good. Wait, here will be anchor tag, and here will be anchor tag. Fence looks. Now I will create one more container. Give last name container and h1 home page. So friends, see, this is our first page and it is working fine. So friends, have you seen Bootstrap is working fine into our React.js application. So friends, look, now it seems very simple to create our first page in React.js with Bootstrap. So friends, if you have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then you can comment on this video. And friends, don't worry about the code snippet link. I will share the code snippet link inside the video description and you can get the code easily. And friend, also, if you have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then you can comment on this video. And friends, also, if you like this video, then please click on like button. Also, please subscribe my channel for latest React.js updates. So thank you friends for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.